Welcome friends. In this video we shall talk about a hand yoga pose called as Mirgi Mudra, which is highly effective in dealing with epilepsy and seizures. But before we proceed ahead, friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. Mirgi Mudra. To do this mudra, sit comfortably with your spine and head straight upright. Keep both palms on your two knees. Then fold the middle finger and the ring finger in such a manner that the tip of the thumb touches the first joint from the top of the middle and the ring fingers. If you see, if let's say this is a finger and then this is its first joint, this is its second joint. So if you count from the top, this is the first joint and this is the one on which tip of your thumb should rest. So as you can see here in this picture, and I will repeat that one should fold the middle and the ring fingers in such a manner that tip of the thumb touches the first joint of the middle and the ring fingers. Therefore, whatever formation that you get will be called as Mirgi Mudra, as is shown here in this picture. One can do this mudra 3 times a day for 15 minutes each. Mirgi Mudra benefits. This mudra heals epilepsy and seizures. This mudra strengthens our nervous system. It cures headaches which occur due to toothaches or cold. This mudra improves immunity by improving levels of antioxidants in the body. This mudra also reduces stress and tension. This mudra can be used for meditation because it is said to purify our thoughts. If using this mudra for meditation, one should sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana. This is the list of 10 mudras which are effective in dealing with headaches. You can find details of each one of these mudras in our different videos by going to our channel. These mudras are Mahashirsh Mudra, Pan Mudra, Mushtika Mudra for quick relief from any headache, Surya Mudra, Prithvi Mudra, Apan Vayu Mudra, Pran Mudra, Agni Shakti Mudra, Kuber Mudra for dealing with headaches caused by common cold, and Mirgi Mudra for dealing with headaches caused by dental pain. Now let's have some general information on the mudras, but I would suggest please watch our other videos, especially the first one in this playlist, to get the accurate and more detailed information on hand mudra yoga. Here is a summary of 13 core mudras, out of which 8 are tattva mudras and 5 are pranic mudras. Many more mudras can be created by joining different fingers and thumb in different manners. Here is the summary of pranic mudras. If you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the middle and the index fingers, you get Vyan Mudra. Similarly, if you join tip of the thumb with tips of the ring finger and the middle fingers, you get Apan Mudra. Using the same fingers, but instead of tips, just fold the ring finger and the middle finger and press against the palm, you get another mudra called as Meow Mudra. Next is that if you join tip of the thumb with the tips of the little finger and the ring fingers, that is this little finger and the ring finger, you get a mudra called as Pran Mudra. If you join tips of all the 5 fingers, you get Saman Mudra, which is also called as Mukul Mudra. If you join tips of index finger, middle finger and ring finger along with the thumb tip, then you get a mudra called as Udan Mudra. Here is the summary of 8 Tattva Mudras. Please watch our first video in this series where you can get more details of all these Tattva and Pranic Mudras. But in summary, if thumb is pressed onto the tip of the index finger, we get Gyan Mudra. When we fold the index finger and we press it lightly by the thumb, we get Vayu Mudra. Similarly, if we press the tip of middle finger by the thumb, we get Akash Mudra. And if we fold the middle finger and then press lightly with the thumb, we get Shunya Mudra. Similarly, with the ring finger, with the tip we get Prithvi Mudra, and with the ring finger folded we get Surya Mudra. Little finger gives us Indra Mudra, and then when the little finger is folded, it gives us the Varun Mudra. Doing mudras. Mudras can be done anytime in any pose. For example, while sitting, standing, watching TV, or even while walking. Mudras can be done by one hand or they can be done by both the hands. For example, you can do Vayu Mudra by your right hand and not do anything at the same time with the left hand. But generally it is better if you do the same mudra with both the hands simultaneously. Mudras should be done daily for 45 minutes. However, if needed, mudra can be done for 15 minutes 3 times a day as well. A mudra done along with deep breathing shows quicker results. Do not do any mudra for at least 30 minutes after the meals, except the Surya Mudra, which is used for improving the digestion. Two different mudras can be done simultaneously, one by the right hand and the other by the left hand. However, do not do opposite mudras, for example Prithvi Mudra and the Surya Mudra, because Prithvi Mudra is used for increasing the body weight and the Surya Mudra is its opposite and it is used for decreasing the body weight. Mudras can be done along with other therapies as well.